also can be given as a part of that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then any other in trajectory? Any other arguments? Anybody else would like to say anything here?
May I, sir?
Ah, yes.
Sir, my point is that because of lack of spirituality, the sexuality transforms into a kind of perversion. As we earlier also said that sexuality is not the problematic, as it is the fundamental part. And when yesterday I was referring to some of the articles or papers, uh, in most of them, the very first or second line is that the sex is referred to as a greater extent sacred activity, so it does have to have a spiritual significance. So because it doesn't mean that before this 20th century there was no sexuality, but the kind of anxiety within which grows up in this era is something more disastrous for the people, or to especially to the Westlanders. And another point is that as soon as in the very first part, that the lines of water is that the 1 minute that where sun beats and the date trees give no shelter, cricket no relief, and the dry stone no sounds of water. This line indirectly gives significance of the dryness of the people. That people of the Westlander or the people of the 20th century were physically living, but perhaps they were mentally died, or spiritually died, or morally died. They are living, yet they are not living actually. So that how can this kind of life can be imagined? That this kind of modern civilization, that where human life is a kind of unimaginable, and what the sort of life would be. And so following these points, that in the very second line of these lines, that what are the roots that clutch, what branches grow out of these stony rubbish, that the use of these images, that branches and stony rubbishes, that through this Eliot suggests us that this poem will examine that people's life means the branches, and the stony rubbish means the way of civilization, that people are connected. So because it does mean that the spiritual as there was no absence of sexuality, the same way there is not also absence of spirituality as well. Both were existed before it also. So uh, the same way that how does it the way it keeps on transforming, or the keeping on the lacking something, it leads people to divert from somewhere else. So my point is that because of lacking the spirituality, sexual perversion increased.
Okay, yeah, that is a good point that you have given, that the lake of spirituality, or in one of the slides, I hope you have kept the PPT open, the slides
Yes.
which were shared, that also you open. In that, in the thematic reading, you will see this is the slide after Client Brooks slide. After Client Brooks slide, there is this point of I. Richards also. In that, there is Western society has exhausted its spiritual and cultural legacy. Western society has exhausted its spiritual and cultural legacy. The socio-cultural malaise that affected Western society in the 1920s is very effectively projected